All right, everyone, let us show you something that comes free with Velvo CRM, and that is a automatic call dialer. If you have a list and you're trying to call all of them, obviously one by one, and you want to keep track of who has answered, who hasn't answered, and then keep on trying those that you haven't been able to reach, well, that's basically a dialer, automatic dialer, and it's built into the system with a couple of workflows, which we obviously are here and happy to create for you. It can do a lot. It can do so much, and we're going to go through a couple of brief details of how you can benefit from this and demonstrate how this works. My name is Vladimir. I'm here with Dimitar and Vesko as well, who are helping me get through this and show you how this works. All right, let's get through now. What is the first step, guys? What do I have to do?
Yeah, Vlad. First step, we have to select our contacts because we already have them in the system. Of course, another way would be to just upload a new list, but let's select from this list, the one we have currently.
All right, let me go ahead and select what? The first set, 20 of them. I can select as many as I want. I'm guessing I can select all of them.
Yeah, you can select all of them.
All right, so, and then what do I do?
Then we just need to add them to the workflow. Since we're doing it manually now, it can be automatic, but for the sake of showing it, yeah, proceed.
All right.
And we need to add them to the first one dialer.
Okay.
Name the action.
And now let me ask you a quick question. I have just added all of these 20 contacts of mine into the workflow. Can they be added automatically? Let's say because they have reached certain stage in my pipelines, or maybe because I have added a certain tag, or I have done some action on them.
Yeah, that can put them into the dialer. Yeah, totally.
So if I'm putting them from one stage of a pipeline into another stage of the pipeline, for example, time to call them, or maybe I change the something about them, then they can automatically be added.
Yeah, and can be assigned to agents, can notify the agents, a lot of things.
Can tasks also be created as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
The employees can be notified, and tasks can be made for them.
Automatic.
So yeah, definitely.
So it's not just a dialer, but quite a bit of automation behind it as well. Can be.
Oh yeah.
Wonderful. So what do I do next? Now that they have been added to the dialer, let's say this particular case is obviously manual, but let's go with the flow now. What do I do now?
Yeah, go to conversations for me. Yeah, right there, and manual actions at the top.
Manual action. Okay, here they are, all of them. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do I do now?
All you need to do is click on Let's Start at the top right.
Here, this button?
Yeah.
So what happens when I click on Let's Start?
It starts calling them one by one. So it will start from the first contact and keep
one
going.
of these people one by one.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if it works. Oh, it's already calling. The very first one.
And you're on the contact page. So if you want to add tasks or notes while you're on the call.
Let me hang up. Obviously, these are fake numbers and fake emails, guys. Just so you know, these are fake names. This is just the test data. But I'm presented with 4 options now. And one is no answer, one is busy, one I have left a voicemail, or the fourth one is, okay, I completed the call. What happens, or what could happen here if I was to choose any of these answers? Because if there was no answer, if the person was busy, then I actually want them back on my list so that I can call them again tomorrow, or maybe I can assign them to someone else on the second shift to call them. Is that possible?
Yeah. We've set it up right now. If you click on no answer, it will just put them back in the list. It can be customized differently, but yeah, totally.
So if I click on no answer, then this person will stay on my list.
Yeah.
But if I click on completed, it will end up disappearing from my list.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh, that is nice. And obviously, you could move him to a next stage in my pipelines, maybe, if something of this such nature has happened, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and click on no answer. What happens now? Oh, it's going to the next lead.
Yeah, and you even have time for a break if you want to take
I
that.
even have a little time for a break. All right, so I'm automatically going to the next calls. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and, okay, I get it, it's ringing, okay. I'm gonna say call completed. So I have completed my call, so this one will disappear from my
Yeah.
list.
And you also have the time now to go into the tasks and notes to leave something from the call, which is very handy since we're on the contact page.
Hold on. Let me pause this thing. I don't want to call any more people. These are obviously fake, but still. So if I go back to my conversations, menu action, let me get rid of this thing. So now you're saying that I actually have 19 of them in here. I'm guessing probably
Yes,
two.
correct. Because
No.
we marked one of the calls as completed and another one is no answer.
Oh, I see, because I marked one of them completed.
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Well, that makes total sense. Let me ask quickly, Vesco, what do you think are some of the benefits from this type of dialer?
Well, Vlad, first of all, you don't need to write down on so many places who do you need to call. This can happen automatically through the system. And second, when someone you can't reach somebody, he will automatically show up here for the next day or for the next shift, as you said, to be called.
So, but is it true that this is included in the system, so I don't have to pay additional for my dialer? Because there are systems that you just pay for a dialer itself that just does exactly like this, right?
No, absolutely not. This is included in the system. This is part of the system. You don't need to pay anything extra for this. Absolutely not.
But let's answer something that everybody is wondering about. You know, we mentioned some automations and some workflows and some little bit of technicality here.
Oh,
Now,
yeah.
for those that don't know how to set it all up, do we have a solution for them?
Oh, absolutely, you bet we do. Uh, you don't need to worry about this and setting it up because this is the only system with a dedicated rep who will be assigned to each account and he will take care of all of these technical tasks and things that need to be done. So you don't need to worry about this at all. You have
So
a
you're saying
account rep who will
if,
take care of it.
if somebody needs your help, you're happy to jump on a call and get this done for them.
Absolutely. More than happy.
More than happy to get that done. All right. All right, everybody. So that's it. The benefit is obviously it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you have a dialer. You can call your whole list, section of the list. They can go automatically based on certain triggers, based on certain workflows. On the top of that, what Vesco just mentioned, you don't have to do it. We want to do it for you. Vesco wants to do it for you guys. All right, everybody. If you have any questions, follow the links below on the video and we'll be right with you. You can book a call with us at any time.